Transferring funds from Venmo to Fidelity is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer funds from Venmo to Fidelity. All the process for that is pretty simple. You just need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, add Fidelity debit card to Venmo. For that, you have to open up your Venmo, go to payment methods, and then add your Fidelity debit card. In payment methods, you will be able to see an option for add bank account or debit card. Just add debit card and add your Fidelity card. Once it is done, you just have to link your Fidelity account directly. Get your Fidelity routing and account number from the Fidelity app, and then you will be able to go to payment methods in Venmo and add your Fidelity account. Once you have that, you will easily be able to transfer monies between them. So you just have to verify it using micro deposit. Wait for two small deposit in your Fidelity account, then verify them in Venmo. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to link both of these accounts. Once they are linked, you will easily be able to transfer funds between them. There should be an option for payment method and transfer money. Whenever you'll go to that option, you will be able to see the first options, which should be your linked accounts. In this case, we will have Venmo and Fidelity, which you will easily be able to use to transfer money. Hope you guys find this video helpful.